Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Border Busters, and today I'm going to be explaining how remote events work in Roblox Studio. Alright, so before we start, I just want to say, please make sure to like and subscribe. Help me get 4,000 watch hours by watching my longer videos. And what those 4,000 watch hours do is they help me get monetized on YouTube. And I currently only have 219, so I could use some help on that. And help me get 7,000 subscribers at the end of the year. So if you don't have Roblox Studio yet, just download it on the Roblox website. And you need a computer or a laptop to do it. It's not on a phone or iPad or anything like that. So once you get on there, have your account signed in and everything, I'm just going to click base play. You may already have a game. You just might need some help on this, but I'm just going to be explaining what remote events are. So to get a little bit better of a demonstration, I'm going to go to replicated storage. I'm going to click plus, folders, rename it to remote. Remote events. And a folder stores different stuff. And then you'll see this remote event right here. So what a remote event is it's a function where you can send it from the client to the server or the server to the client using a Fire server or a Fire client. Now this may not make that much sense to you, but I'm going to let's see, we can add so we could go here. We could go start a GUI. We can add a screen GUI. I'm just going to rename this to main. And you guys could do whatever you want. This could be any function that you're looking for, but I'm just using this as an example. I'm going to add a text button. I'm not going to get crazy on this. And we're just going to name this, let's just leave a text button. And I'll add a UI corner to this, and I will make the text scaled so we could see it better. We could just name this to, server message. And we could put this down here. And let's add a local script to this, because in GUI stuff, you want to add a local script. And what a local script is it's a script that's stored locally on the client. A server script, on the other hand, is a script for the whole entire script on all the people that are playing. So we're going to add a local script, and we'll do script.parent.text is equal to we could just leave it normally, and what we could do here is we could do script.parent.mouse button one click :connect function, and we could go here, and what we could do here is we can let's make a variable. We could do local replicated storage. Oh my goodness. Is equal to game : get service. Replicated storage. And we could go here. We could go replicated storage dot remote events dot remote event. We could just rename this to send message. Send message. Remote event, we'll change this to send message Fire server. So what this is, it's a script that when the mouse button one click, in other hands, when the left mouse is clicked, then it will trigger some code. So let's say we press this button, it will trigger some code when we do that. So in this code, we'll have the variable. The variable just kind of already makes it so you can access replicated storage. Otherwise, you'd have to go game.replicatedStorage. You'd have to do all this stuff. You would have to pretty much just put this in here. It just makes it easier, so you're just able to put replicated storage. Anyway, so what this is right here, it's accessing the remote events, and the send message is the remote event in the remote events folder, and the fire server is how it kind of triggers the event to happen. So to make this work, we're gonna pull up the output. So like, let's say we play the game here. We're gonna go to View, Output, and you'll see nothing's in here. But when we go to the server script, so we could just add something in, just a script in the workspace. We could just rename this to get message. Alright, so what we could do in here is we could do game.replicated storage, .replicated storage, .remote events, .send message, on server event. This accesses, so this right here fires this to the server. So this function fires it to the server. Then this will access the event that this is sending to. So this is currently firing it to the server when that happens, and then when it receives this message, then we'll do some code. :connect function, go out, and we could just do print. We could just name this to message sent to server. Sent to server. And if we do this, we can make sure to look in the output right here. And as you can see, if we click this, message sent to the server. And yeah, so what that did there is this right here. When the mouse button one click, when that happened, it fired this to the server, because this is a server script. This is a local script, and we sent it to the server. Alright guys, that's how remote events work. You can also send it to the client, which would be different. It would just be like from this script, we would just be sending the client. It'd just be fire client instead, and on the local script, which is on the client, or sorry, yeah, it'd be fire client to here, and on here it'd be on client event. That's how you access a remote event that's being fired from the server onto a client. And yeah guys, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.